Welcome back everyone. I have a new product from none other than SoundBot. This is a Bluetooth wireless speaker. It's the SB574. Let's get right into it and do an unboxing.
This little guy right here is a dual 3-watt amp system, so it can bump some music for sure. It comes with the aux cable, the charging cable, the manual, and the speaker itself. Alright, let's get this open and see what we're working with. Alright, here we go. The first thing right off the bat, the speaker itself. It's got this Alcantara kind of wrap on the front. It's really nice to feel. Here's a close-up. Next up, right underneath the plastic, we have our USB and 3.5mm jack right here. Let's put that to the side. Last but not least, we have our manual, probably the most important piece. Alright, let's get the plastic off. First, we should charge it. It's located right in the back next to the power switch. Go ahead and plug it in. Plug the cord in the back. Look on the front for the red LED to signify that it is charging. About 4 hours later, go ahead and flip the switch on right in the back. And it should play a sound. There we go. Now you want to take your mobile device, open up the Bluetooth settings, turn the Bluetooth on, wait for it to appear in the bottom. There we go, SB574. It will make a noise once connected. That's the noise, and you can choose to sync your contacts if you want to. The top is wooden finish where the controls are also located. And just like that, you can play music. Increase the volume when needed, or decrease the volume. Other than the volume switches, hit the play button to stop the music, hit it again to resume it. On top of that, to skip the track, hold down the increase volume button. To play the previous track, hold down the decrease volume button. If you don't have Bluetooth or that's not an option, simply use the 3.5mm aux jack. Plug it into your mobile device, just like so. And then plug it into the back of the device, right here. That signifies we're ready to go. Now if you get a call, go ahead and press the play button to answer it. And after you're done talking, hold down the play button to end the call. And just like that, the call is done. That's about it for the SB574. Check out the links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.